Carpet shampooing versus carpet hot water extraction, updated. What is carpet steam cleaning? Carpet steam cleaning, also known as hot water extraction, is a popular carpet cleaning method that uses high-temperature steam produced by converting water to steam. The carpet is cleaned by weakening the dirt-grease adhesive bonds, which allows the dirt or stains to be removed from the carpet fibers and extracted into a collection tank. Carpet steam cleaning is often considered to be the most effective method of carpet cleaning because it penetrates deep into the carpet fibers to remove dirt, dust, and other debris. In addition, carpet steam cleaning is also effective at removing stains. How does carpet steaming work? Carpet steaming is a popular choice for cleaning carpets because it's gentle on the fabric and doesn't require any harsh chemicals. It's also a good choice if you have allergies or sensitivities to certain chemicals. Steam cleaning is done by first vacuuming the carpet to remove any surface dirt and debris. Next, a carpet cleaning solution is applied to the carpet. The carpet cleaning machine then pumps hot water and steam into the carpet to loosen and remove the dirt and stains. Finally, the wand is used to extract the dirt, dust, and stains into a collection tank. What is carpet shampooing? Carpet shampooing is a carpet cleaning method that uses a detergent solution to clean the carpets. The detergent solution is applied to the carpet and agitated with a brush to loosen and remove the dirt and stains. The carpet is then rinsed with water to remove the detergent solution. Carpet shampooing is often considered to be a less effective method of carpet cleaning because it does not penetrate as deep into the carpet fibers as steam cleaning. In addition, carpet shampooing is not as effective at removing stains. This method is best for light cleaning. The instruments used are a carpet shampooer, which applies the detergent solution to the carpet, and a brush attachment, which agitates the solution into the carpet fibers. How does carpet shampooing work? This method of cleaning carpets involves using a carpet shampooer, which is a machine that dispenses shampoo onto the carpet and then agitates it into the fibers. The shampoo is designed to break up dirt and stains, and it also helps to deodorize the carpet. Carpet shampooing is a good option for cleaning carpets that are only lightly soiled. However, it's important to note that shampooing can leave behind a residue that will attract dirt, so the carpet may need to be cleaned more frequently if it's shampooed.